Are you having problems with the 8-ball pool that you're getting the connection lost basically, or the connection error, and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and in this step-by-step guide I'm going to show you how I quickly was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my 8-ball pool app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So just go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this, as you can see. So now just scroll down in here and click on general, and as you can see you should now be taken to a page similar to this. Scroll down in here and just click on storage. And if you're clicking on this for the first time today, it might take you a couple of seconds to completely load all the apps in here, just so you know. But just scroll all the way up in here. When it's done loading, you're just going to search for 8, and it should come up in here, as you can see, and click on the 8-ball pool app, of course. Now you're just going to click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. So basically now what you have to do is that you have to wait for the app to completely update to the latest version. So by doing this, you're actually forcing the app to completely update to the latest version, and it's going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. So actually for me this worked, and it's not going to work for everybody, by the way. You have to also wait a couple of minutes probably to complete the update, just so you know. So if it's not instant, don't worry, just wait a couple of minutes. But let's say you have actually waited and it still is not working. Another thing you can try to do is to just swipe like this on your phone, like this, and then you're going to quickly enable your airplane mode and then just disable it afterwards. You should get a little bit better signal if you have mobile data or Wi-Fi compared to what you had before. It's not always the case, but sometimes you can get a bit more signal when you reconnect basically to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.